If you want to earn a passive income in the year 2020, then watch this video till the end because I'm gonna show you how to earn passive income in this tutorial. Okay, so watch this video till the end so you understand all the stuff and all the steps which I'm gonna teach you in this video. And if you are really serious and you are really committed, then you can definitely make almost $10,000 every single month doing this really simple strategy, only working 10 minutes to 20 minutes a day, and you are really going to kill it and make a big money. All the key here to get successful is just be consistent in your work. So now let's jump into the content without wasting any of your time. I'll be showing you and guiding you all the steps over here, so watch this video till the end. And if you are really planning to skip this video, then you can. Okay, I don't want anyone who does not take action. I want some action takers on this channel. So just those who are interested and those who are going to take action should only watch this video. That's what I'm saying. Now let's search for a channel name, Clumsy. Okay, so this is the channel which I'm gonna show you, and what this channel does to make money is really interesting. So you should just check out this. Never forget the time Tom thought he killed Jerry and how he. Okay, so now let's go to its videos. Now you can see that this channel gets a lot and lots of views. That you can see this is 485k views, 473k views, 453k views, and why this channel is getting this amount of views and what type of videos this channel is creating is what I'm gonna show you in this video. So watch this video till the end. I'm gonna reveal to you the strategy with which this channel is making this getting this amount of views, and how it is making great amount of money with this channel. All these things are going to be revealed in this video, so watch this video till the end. And I'm also going to show you that how you can create just a channel like this and really start making some great money out of it. So now let's click on one of its videos. Hi. So you can see there's an ad popping up over here. This means that this channel is monetized.
Japanese artist turns Tom and Jerry's most unfortunate.
So see, what this guy does is that this is just a meme, okay, a photo of a meme, photo or a meme, okay, and what this guy is just reading the text on this meme, okay, you can see, then there will be next meme, then there will be next meme, then there will be next meme. All this guy is doing is just reading this stuff, okay, he is reading the text on the meme and just providing a little bit of voiceover just like that on this video, and this video is monetized, and so he is making a great amount of money out of it. All he is doing is just creating this compilation video just by combining many of the memes and just reading the lines which are available on this memes, and with this he is making a ton of money. And this is what you are going to do. I'm going to show you how you can create this type of simple compilation videos and start making a great amount of money doing this super easy stuff. Okay, the first thing you need to do is let's check out how much this channel is almost making. So let's go to Social Blade, and you can see that this is the channel Clumsy, and it's making from 10.5k to $168,000. That's insane amount of money. And here you can see that it is making almost 126k to $2 million a year. So this is insane. You can see that this channel just got 42 million views. 42 million, that's really insane amount of views in the last 30 days. So this rare few channels get this amount of views, okay, in just 30 days. So this is one of the really great channel. And why these videos are getting this amount of views? Because these are all memes, okay, and people love these are some kind of viral memes and viral stuff, so this get really viral. Or your videos, if you create videos just like this, there is likely a very big chance that they are going viral, because memes are because memes are most viral things in the world, and everyone knows that every single day thousands and thousands of memes are created on internet, and this is really easy stuff, okay, anyone can do this. Now I'm gonna show you how you can do this stuff really easily. You are not going to create the memes or you are not going to do anything. All you need to do is just utilize a very simple strategy, a very simple tool which even a 14-year-old can use and understand how to do this. Okay, so now let's jump into the content. Let's jump into the main content. So here is the website which we are going to utilize, and this website is known as Kledio.com. Okay, this website is almost free. You can create videos on this website absolutely for free, but in the free websites there would be a little of, what can we say, that a little bit of watermark, but it's okay, fine. If you are a new YouTuber, it's fine, you can create videos from this website. It's okay if it has a small watermark on it. It doesn't even harm, because most of the people who are watching this kind of videos, most of their attention is there on the meme or how funny the meme is. They are not interested in what kind of watermark is there on the video or what software this person is using to create this type of videos. So there is no such big reason for that. Okay, so now to find this kind of memes, you can just go to Instagram and type in hashtag memes, and you can find all these memes. Okay, now if you want one of the memes, what you can do is just click on the meme, just see. Okay, so I just found this one. Now what you have to do is just copy this link of this meme. Okay, just so just let me just refresh it once more. So this is the link. Okay, Control A and Control C. Now you have to go to this website to download this meme, which is known as gramsave.com. Just click here, Control V, paste the link. Okay, and just click here on the download. Once you click on the download, you can see this meme is here, and now you can download it to your computer. So now this is downloaded. Okay, in the same way, you can just find tons and tons of memes over here on Instagram. Now, whatever meme you download, you just pay attention that provide credits to the creator of this memes in your YouTube video description. Okay, it is very important. We are not going to steal somebody's stuff. We are just going to provide credits to the creator who have created this meme. Okay, this is really important, because whatever work we are doing it ethically. We are not stealing somebody's stuff. Okay, this is really important. Just don't do any unethical stuff. Okay, just give credits. This is what I want to see. Now you can download 2 to 3 30 to 40 memes out of this. For example, this SpongeBob meme, that's really good. And now let's download it. Just Control A, Control C, then just go to this website, just remove the last one and press Control V. Just click this download, and here the SpongeBob will appear, and download again. Okay, so now this meme is downloaded to your computer. Now what you have to do is you have to go to this website, which is known as Kledio.com, and click on this one, which is slideshow or merge. Okay, whichever you want, you can select from both of this. Okay, for now I'll be selecting this merge one. Just select merge. Okay, then choose file. Now you have to add both of these files. You can use as many files as you want. Okay, now just drag this another file to this timeline, and now you can see that this is a 5-second video created combining these two memes. Okay, now what you can do is you can just export this video from this website. Okay, and absolutely for free. But if you do this with the free stuff, there would be a watermark on this website, but the watermark is really very small, and nobody pays much attention on the watermark, because this type of meme content is really very viral, and people are mostly paying attention on how funny or interesting the meme is. So this is really something which will really be interesting, and you can create you can create this type of videos just by combining 10, 15 to 30 memes every single day, and you can start creating this type of simple meme videos and start uploading it on YouTube using this tool which is known as Cludio. What is it known as? Claudio or Cludio? Clidio. Okay, you can just utilize this tool, and if you want to remove watermark from this tool, then you can just buy the paid version of this tool, which is only $6 every single month. So it is really cheap, but I don't recommend it in the start. Once you get some audience, once you start making some money, after that you invest some money and just buy the paid version of this tool. Okay, so that's really simple. This is really interesting. Anyone can do it. Even a 14-year child can do this method and start making money with this method. Really easy stuff. And you can see that this guy is getting insane amount of views, because memes are something which are really very, very viral on the internet, and people are really fond of something funny, something interesting. And so this is the reason why this type of channels and this type of videos get tons and tons of views, and really you are going to make a very good money out of it, because no matter what, the average CPM on this channel is $1 per 1,000 views. So even if it gets the minimum of $1 per 1,000 views, even then it is making almost 50,000 USD to 60,000 USD every single month. That is insane amounts of money which this channel is earning, and the person who has created this channel is just working 20 to 30 minutes a day. What he is doing is going to Instagram or any other platform, just finding this type of viral funny memes, just downloading 15 to 30 to 35 of those memes, and then placing it into a video which is more than 10 minutes long. And if the video is more than 10 minutes long on YouTube, then you know that that you can place multiple ads on your YouTube video. And due to this reason, this guy is making really more money out of his videos, because you can see every single video of this guy is more than 10 minutes, and that's the reason why this guy is making more and more money out of this videos. That's really good. That's really insane. Anyone can do this stuff, no matter from wherever
Never
in
forget
the
the time
world,
Tom
no
thought he
matter
built Jerry
wherever
and
he is
how he tried
living.
to save the one thing he hated.
Anyone can do this stuff worldwide, and it is available for everyone. You can also do it in different languages, as well as whatever language. If you are living in some Asian countries, then you can do it from over there also, in some another languages also. So this is really easy stuff. Anyone can do this and really start make some good amount of money. But the thing here, the key to success is that you have to stay consistent. You have to keep uploading video every single day for next 3 months. This is the commitment which which will be required to make money out of this method. So if you are really committed, if you are really going to take action on this method, just write down in the comment section that I will be taking action on this method. We'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay happy, stay subscribed, and thanks for watching.